Hi guys, so this video is going to show you the grapes and nuts for China. I'm going to go kind of fast, but you can pause it and watch it at your own pace to make sure you have all your notes before you turn in your digital notes for China. Okay, here we go. You need all of these vocabulary words defined. All of these should be defined. And there are 24 words. The 24th word that got cut off is network. On this slide, you need for each of these countries to know exactly what they traded on the Silk Road. So you need, for example, for Egypt, you would write things like papyrus, you would write things like cotton and the other things that Egypt traded, looking at the map and reading the map on page 311. And that's the end. If you have any questions, please let me know.